Hi, Assalamualaikum. So this is part 2 for programming coding part. So this is for main activity for my login part. So basically the data that we register will get into the Firebase authentication. So let's see. This is my code where they get email and password, and then this for register activity. Okay, this one for register activity where they get all the email and password, phone number and all that, and save it in the Firebase database. So the important things that I have to show you is first thing first is my user navigations. So user navigation, which is I do navigation drawable layout, navigation drawer. So I have store I store the picture, and for example this one, and name for that particular category. For my cart, it's not cart but my menu, because it's grocery, so I have 5. But when I try to retrieve it back, it's cannot working. It's can't working. So this one for I store it by the ID of category, which is this one. For vegetable, ID is 1. So let's see, this one is ID, menu ID. Yes, this one also cucumber. I store the descriptions. This one for the I made like this. This one for faster Runcit. After we log in, then they will pop up the picture and the description of it's not description, it's a title of category. For example, vegetable. So when user want to buy the vegetable, so they just click, and all the this one will pop up there, based on ID. I sort it by ID. So I have done some retrieve back and this one, but I can't get it at my layout. I use a recycler view. Okay, I use this one for my cart, this one for my grocery details, grocery list, and then we have user navigations. This is for navigation drawer, and then this one cart layout. When I have grocery items, yeah, I have all that, but I don't know why it can't move into my layout. So this I have bought some just for categorize it by view holder. This is for get that view into the data in the database into this application, but it's not working out for me. Maybe it's a little bit yeah, it's like it's have recycle view, but anything don't come out, cannot. This one, if I press this button, it's for card, it will basically display this one. Wait a minute. This may take several time to load. I use card view for my card. This one, linear view, linear layout, and yes. And let's see my design. It may take several times. Okay. This one card view, I have just make just the button part where I have a button to place order, which is if we like that menu, we just just press the button, the cut button there. It automatically will toast thank you, please order. This one is alert dialog. It's a pop-up dialog, which is you have to enter address to confirmations the order. But sadly, not working for me. I don't know why. It's kinda a bit longer time to load. I don't know why my layout so lag. So this one is card adapter for my. I adapt this one, that one, and this one for grocery, the main menu, and then this one for menu view holder for my category, and then we have category grocery order request. I have many, and for database I use SQLite, and I just transfer it. I just import it in the database here. So I think that's all for my this one for grocery. We have grocery and other category ID, grocery ID. But it's okay. I will upload this one for at my documentation. Maybe you can look it more detail about this my layout. So I'm sorry for not for just do it like that, because I can't retrieve the recycle view. But surely I will make that for my future work. Yeah, thank you, sir.